people, so today in this video I'm going to recommend you 5 non-fiction books for Non-Fiction November. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. I'm going to start with a book that made me start reading and get into reading, okay? And that book is Life's Amazing Secrets by Gopal Das Ji. This is a non-fiction book. It's basically a self-help book. This is such a goddamn amazing book that I've ever found. This book talks about forgiveness, gratefulness, a lot more. I can't put it into a sentence, but I can say this, like how a car has 4 wheels, a life has 4 wheels, and those are, let me show you. One is personal life. The another one is, I want to show to you with the picture, okay? That is the reason I'm. Second wheel is relationships. Third wheel is work life. And the last wheel is social contributions. And at the end of the book, you can write, they will ask some questions and you need to write the answers for them. And I really like all of those questions that were asked because, those will definitely let you think for some time and, give you some peace. So I really like them. I've completed all of the questions, but I've wrote all of the answers in some other book basically. That is the reason you can't see them in the book. I don't like to write in my books, so I hope you got my point. Next book that I'll be recommending to you is Touch the Sky by Rashmi Bansal. This book is a true masterpiece for women empowerment in non-fiction genre. This book talks about 15 real women stories which are truly empowering. And trust me, I fell in love with this book. I'm a beginner when I read this book and I fell in love with it. I still love this book. The language is easy. The narration is amazing. The stories are goddamn freaking good. And these stories have a lot of emotions in it. I've cried sometimes. And sometimes my eyes were filled with pride when they achieved what they want to achieve. Generally, we don't get these kind of books, and especially non-fiction genre. In non-fiction genre, we always get, how to be productive or that and this and that. I know that is important, but writing these kind of books is also really important. And I owe many things to this book, and I really like it, and I highly recommend this book. This is one of the underrated books, and Rashmi Bansal's writing is so amazing. All of her books were slightly underrated, is what I feel. And I want to read all of her books and I will definitely read and review it for you guys. Through this book, I got to know about another book, and that book name is Menstrupedia. It talks about periods but in a comic way, okay? And there's a chapter in this book through which I got to know about this book, and the chapter name is Chatke Periods. One minute, I'll show you. This is the chapter Chatke Periods. Her name is Aditi Gupta. His name is Tuhin. And this chapter is so good. It touched my heart. And yeah, I want to say a lot about this book, but I'm just ranting here about this book. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I highly recommend this book. The next book is 3000 Stitches by Sudha Murthy. This is my first book from her writings. So this book talks about her journey, how she have completed her graduation and everything regarding that. This book is amazing. I really liked it. The way the book was structured is amazing. It is a well crafted book and I really liked it. Like few people say that they didn't like this book, but I liked it. And it talks about whole journey of hers, like how she has gone through a lot in her life. And yeah, this book also talks about her grandparents as well, which is amazing. And this book also talks about, low class and something like that happened with her in her real life. And basically, it's a non-fictional book. Obviously, everything will be real that were mentioned in the book. So yes, I highly recommend this one because this talks about that life is a cycle, and this talks about empowerment. This also talks about inequality and everything like that. And I really liked How to Beat the Boys, Food for Thought, 3 Handfuls of Water, Cattle Class, A Life Unwritten, No Place Like Home, A Powerful Ambassador, I Can't month weekend. All of the 11 chapters were amazing, and I highly recommend this one. This will be an amazing read for you in this November. Then I think in this video I should mention about this book, otherwise this video is nothing, and that is Attitude is Everything. This is one of the best beginner friendly book that I would highly suggest for all of the beginners, no matter if you are into fiction genre or non-fiction genre. This is highly recommended. Like, trust me, attitude is really important, and as the title says, it is everything. Attitude is everything, that it will, open doors for you and it might close doors for you, okay? It is that important, and this is thin. It is about 120 pages, 130 pages, and you can read it, you guys. I highly recommend this book. The next book is Because Life is a Gift by Disha. This is such an amazing book that talks about more than 10 disabled people and how they have gone through a lot in their life, discrimination, people avoiding them, and a lot. But they didn't stop there. They didn't give up. They have achieved what they want to, and they have dreamt a lot, and they achieved all of that. This book is a true motivational book, and I've read it about 2 to 3 times. Trust me, every time I got to learn new things through this book, as in new motivation, new affirmations, and a lot more. And this book is also letting you know that you should be grateful, which is always I say to many people, and trust me, being grateful can change everything and anything. I don't recommend this book for only beginners. I'll recommend it to everyone. This is about 200 pages long, but trust me, in this November, this book will definitely help. And if you have read all of the other 4 books that I've recommended, please do go with this. It is a true masterpiece for motivation and telling you to be grateful, and all of the stories will touch to your heart like anything. Yeah guys, I filmed this video for 20 whole long minutes. I should edit a lot regarding this video because I talked a lot in this video. Otherwise, the video will be supremely long. I don't want to do that. So yeah, without any further delay, I just want to say this: do all of the good things like clicking the like button, share, comment, and subscribe, and everything like that. So yeah, see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.